heard beautiful singing. Was that coming from here? Was that beautiful singing coming from here? Okay. I had to come by and see where the singing was coming from. Is it okay if Santa stays and visits?
You sound like that. Oh yeah.
Well, I'll sit in this chair, may I? Is that okay? Would you like to visit with Santa for a little bit? Okay, well when your teacher calls your name, you want to come up and see me? Okay, and we'll see what's in this bag, huh? Maybe we have something in the bag for you.